A very common question which is being asked is, what are the side effects of hair transplantation procedure? Hair transplant procedure can have temporary side effects like numbness, pain, swelling, little bit of discomfort on the scalp. Swelling is because of the anesthesia used. Swelling is temporary, it subsides in 4 to 5 days time. Pain is there for initial week or so, then you don't feel any pain. Slight numbness, however, may persist for a few weeks, sometimes a month. But all these problems, side effects are temporary, and they subside on their own there is no need of any intervention. Now there are some side effects like pseudofolliculitis or boil formation. You can have small boils on the scalp of a patient in transplanted area or even in the donor area. Now these are some ingrowing hair which are causing inflammation. So all these settle down on their own and generally don't need any intervention. However, some topical antibiotic lotions might help. Another side effect of hair transplant surgery is shock hair loss. Now this again is temporary. When hair are implanted in the areas where already you have got some hair, there can be an increased rate of hair loss of surrounding existing hair, usually seen from 2nd to 3rd month post-transplant. And all these hair which fall, they come back, so no need to worry. There can be some permanent side effects of hair transplant procedure. They include loss of donor hair. Now, the donor hair are fixed for lifetime, but during some surgeries, there can be excessive loss of donor hair. These hair might not grow at all in the recipient area. Second permanent side effect could be scarring. There can be scarring at the donor site in FUT surgery. There is micro scarring at the donor site in case of FUE surgery, and sometimes patient can have a lot of scarring in the recipient area as well if there are some sort of complications there. Rare side effects can include excessive bleeding, hematoma formation, infection, or some other neurological problems, though these are very, very rare. So one of the commonest problem of hair transplant surgery which we see these days is highly unnatural hair growth. Now many people might not consider it as a side effect of hair transplant surgery, but it is, because the hairline which you get after a transplant is fixed. Now these hair are gonna stay there forever. You didn't get a transplant to get that ugly looking hairline on your scalp. So hair transplantation is an amazing procedure. If done properly, it can really transform your life. Make sure that you choose your clinic carefully. Make sure that you choose your method even more carefully. And I hope this information will help you. And to get more information on hair transplantation procedures, please subscribe our YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you. Love yourself.